OpenAI SDK, and then means we have the chat. Okay. I have this image. Okay. So what I will do means I will post this image to LLM and then we'll ask the questions from here. Means what these what what is happening in this image. Okay. So let me demonstrate this. Okay. So let me try to explain it. Means what I am doing. Okay, and then we'll see it. I am taking miss the intent is miss I will be putting the image to the LLM and then we'll ask based on the image. Okay. API key it is very much required. OpenAI client we have created using the OpenAI SDK. Passed the model name, created the chat client object. It is an image. What is the image? Means the same. The two the childrens were playing. Okay. Reading this image, converting to the byte, and asking a question. Can you tell me what is happening in this image? Explain in detail. Chat completion object. Okay. Chat client dot complete sync. User message. Okay. And passing the image. The two things we have to be passed to the LLM. User question and the image. And we are just printing the response. Okay. It is a chat client. Now let me run this. OpenAI Vision demo. Okay. Means OpenAI Vision demo. The image I asked, tell me about this image. The image is bright cartoons scene set on sunny beach. Two children are playing the soccer on the sand near the ocean and on the left. So we can see means it provided means the details is what is happening in this image. Means if we want to extract some more details, means it will definitely be provided. So this type of projects means you can say everywhere is using in the scannings of the images, or you can say CCTV cameras and everything. You can say during the vehicle scannings of the number plates. Okay, and so these are the widely you can say used type of use case in the industry to scan means the to you can say unsuspicious person or unsuspicious things. Taking one example, suppose someone is carrying a weapon. Okay. and there is a CCTV camera, you can say having, you can say every second it is clicking the images, okay, and then means it can make an alert, okay, behind the scene means someone has, you can say, taken the weapon and means we have to make it alert. Okay, so this is very much, you can say, the example. Okay, let me ask some more questions. Okay, we have details means about it. Can can you give me uh, who who all in this image? I'm just asking. Okay, not providing any information. Okay, and whether tell me genders also and what they are doing. Please do not give any other information. Okay, let's run this. Okay, so I asked two, three things, and can you give me who all in this image? Two childrens are in the image. Genders cannot determine from the image. Definitely means this not too much expert, or you can say um, they need some more, you can say, better image. Okay, they are playing soccer and running on the beach. What they are doing? It provided me these three information and have not provided any other information. Okay, or let me ask another question. Uh, Using this image, tell me if any dangerous situation may happen. Okay, let's see. Yes. For the bank, for the bank. Yes, they could trip, fall while running near the water, collide while playing, or get too much sun or heat exposure. So it is providing the information. Yes, means they can, you can say, running near a water means they can be, you can say, having a chance there. Okay. So these type of, you can say, using the LLMs means we can generate the test. We can, because these are the reasoning models. So GPT, what is the model name? GPT 5.5. GPT 5.5 is a reasoning model. If we provide an image, it can think over it. Okay, if we ask, it will use his mind to understand whether it is a dangerous situation or not. Okay, so these are the reasoning models. Means you can say having their own capabilities to think about it. And in the agentic AI, so means agents means they are doing behind the scene the reasoning models. You can say provide the better role. Okay, so how much time it is? So we are done with. Okay, we are done with almost 1 hour.